Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button for more updates and upcoming videos.
A clogged garbage disposal is a common problem that's easy to fix. We will teach you how to unclog it by following these simple steps. Turn off the power to the garbage disposal. The switch is typically located under the cabinet, close to the garbage disposal. If you cannot locate the switch, go to the main power source panel and turn off the breaker. Inspect the garbage disposal. Grab a flashlight and take a peek down the drain. If you see anything out of the ordinary, a fork for example, you've likely found your culprit. If an object caused the problem, use a pair of pliers to reach into the disposal and remove it. Wait 10 to 15 minutes for the garbage disposal motor to cool down. Turn on the power, press the reset button, and test your garbage disposal. More stubborn clogs may require a bit more attention. If these steps don't help, you might want to follow the other method in the next video. You can do so by following the link in the description below.